Welcome to this step-by-step Socialbee tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create and schedule a week's worth of social media content in probably about 10 to 15 minutes. If you're using social media scheduling software like Socialbee, you should be able to use what I'm going to show you to schedule anywhere from 5 to 15 posts in 10 to 20 minutes. My name's Alex. I'm a digital marketer with Lover Fighter Writer. And if you want to learn more about marketing and you want to get better at using AI tools so you can promote and manage your business faster and more effectively, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. It'll go to a landing page where you can sign up for my email list, and I'll send you access to my personal list of AI marketing prompts. These are like ChatGPT prompts. They also work for Google Gemini and other large language model chatbots. And if you sign up for my email list, I'll send you that list, as well as a whole bunch of other resources and training that you can use to grow your business online. Also, I am an affiliate for Socialbee, the software that I'm demonstrating today. And if you sign up for Socialbee using my affiliate link, which will also be in the description below, please let me know that you signed up, and I'll give you one of my premium products for free. So I have a book on email marketing, as well as a book on organic social media marketing, focusing on Facebook, and a few other digital products that I'm just about finished developing. So you can get a free trial for Socialbee using my affiliate link. And if you sign up for that and then let me know, I'll give you one of my premium products for free as a bonus. And the easiest way to do that is just to sign up for my email list and then reply to any of my emails. But you can also direct message me on Facebook, and I'll put the link to my Facebook page in the description as well. All right, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this with anyone who you know who would find it helpful, and let's get into it. Now, what I'm going to actually do in this tutorial is schedule to 5 different social media platforms, and each post is going to be promoting one of my YouTube videos. But you can use this exact same strategy to promote anything that you want. So if you have a blog, you could use this to promote your blog posts. If you have an e-commerce store, you could promote 5 different products, or you could promote one product 5 different ways. And you could also just schedule social media posts like this if you're just trying to put content out there to grow your social media accounts. I'm going to focus on promoting something, which is in this case my YouTube videos, because I think most people that are using social media for their business are probably looking to promote something. And what we're looking at right here is an example that I already made. And I have an RSS feed set up in Socialbee so that it automatically imports all of my YouTube videos when I publish them. And then I can edit the post as I see fit and schedule it to go out to all of my social media platforms. And I'll show you how to do all that in just a minute. But for now, we'll just take a look at this one. So this is my video on how to get AI search traffic. I published this a few months ago, and the image and all of the text that you see was generated by Socialbee's built-in AI tools. Now, if you have access to my AI prompts list, then you can do all of your AI writing using any AI writer you want, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. But the really cool thing about Socialbee is that it has text generation and image generation built right into it. And as you can see, the images it generates are actually quite good. So now let's start from the beginning. The first thing you would do in Socialbee after you've set up your account and integrated whatever social media platforms you're going to be posting to is come to the content tab on the left here, which is what I'm looking at now. And we're in the categories section of the content tab. And from here, you can create categories. As you can see, I've got a bunch. And once you have your categories set up, there's a number of different ways that you can import posts. So you can import a CSV file. You can import a list of links. So for example, if I wanted to promote content that didn't have an RSS feed, or if I wanted to promote a custom list of links that didn't all come from the same RSS feed, I can just compile those links into a simple list and import them right here by copy and pasting them right there. And all of these different import functions work basically the same way. So if you have a specific blog or YouTube channel or podcast that you want to promote, I would recommend setting up an RSS feed. If you are importing pre-made images or videos that you want to use, then I would go to the import media function right here. If you want to import a list of links from a variety of sources, as I mentioned, you would go to import links. And if you want to plan a bunch of posts ahead in some custom way, then you could use the import CSV function. And now I'm in my YouTube category. And as I mentioned, because I have the RSS feed set up, it automatically imports my videos shortly after they're published, but I could also have imported all of these very easily via import links. And so I'm just going to go down to the next post on the list. And you can see that this one is in draft mode, whereas this one is approved, which means that this one will not be published no matter what. And so I can either click the edit button or I can just click anywhere on this post to open it up. And you can see there are a couple of stings, which are what Socialbee calls errors. So it's just letting me know that there's things that I need to fix. And that's just because all it did was import the link to the YouTube video and the title of the YouTube video. So it's missing content such as visuals that would be required for platforms like Pinterest. And the easiest way to do this is just to remove the other platforms temporarily. So I'm going to click up here. By clicking on these, I can activate or deactivate each platform. So I'm going to go down to just Pinterest, and I can either leave the title the same or change the title. I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to change it to the Pinterest board that I want to use. And then I'm going to come down here to where it says AI and click on that. And I'm going to say generate images. And I can type my own prompt right here. I actually have a ChatGPT prompt in my AI marketing prompts list that you can use to help you generate really good image prompts. But Socialbee actually does this for you. So based on the title that I provided, it has suggested some image prompts that I could use. And I like the third one the best, so I'm going to go with that. And then you can select how many images you want it to generate here. So we'll say 3 and then click generate. All right, so we've got 3 very uncanny valley type images here, but this one's not bad. So we'll go with that. And I can actually check multiple if I want. So let's just check all 3 just for fun. And we'll say use selected results. And it looks like it's doing, and so it looks like that automatically turned into a carousel. And for each of these images, I can delete them from the post here if I want with the X. I can add alt text with this little symbol right here, type it in there and then hit save. And I can also edit the image by cropping it really easily. So I'm probably going to leave these as they are, but I could crop it to a portrait, could crop it to a landscape, and crop it to whatever I want and move this around. So actually I could do like this, if I just wanted to focus on that. I'm just going to hit cancel. And then if I go to AI again, I can say generate captions, and I'm going to copy my title right here. And then I'll use the Pinterest template, and I can just choose one of these and then replace the topic placeholder with my topic. And I'll go with the witty tone of voice, make it a little bit longer in terms of the words, and ask it to generate hashtags. And it'll generate 3 posts. And I like the third one the best again, so we'll use that. Say this. So now I've got my post complete with title, description, hashtags, link to the content, and images. And now I can just add back the platforms that I want this to go out to, and it'll duplicate the same content to them. So I'll add Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Google My Business. And if I go to each of these, we can get an idea of how it's going to look. And so I think I just want to do a single image on Facebook because those tend to work better in my experience. And then I'm going to grab the link to the YouTube video and add it in the comment right here. So I'll say link to video. And then LinkedIn works very similar to Facebook. So I think I'm going to do the same thing there. I'll remove these 2 images, just do it as a single image, and I'll include the link to the video in the first comment. And for Instagram, carousels work pretty well. So I'm going to leave all the images there, and you can't add links in Instagram, so I won't worry about that. And then for my Google Business profile, I'm going to change the CTA type to learn more, and it already has the YouTube link loaded in. And it looks like I can only use 1 image, which is probably the better idea anyways, so I'll just change that. And there you go. Now all of the stings or errors are gone. It's just got this one, which is letting me know that the Instagram post will be shared as a carousel. And then I just need to go to update post, and that's going to save it and get everything ready. And now that one's ready to go. So I can add it to approved as well. And I just need to do that exact same thing 3 more times with these 3 videos, and then I would have 5 posts ready to go. I won't go through all that because that would be very boring and repetitive. And there's a couple different ways that you can schedule content in Socialbee, but I'll just go with the basic one for now. So I'll head to schedule setup. And right now I just have a couple blog posts going out weekly, but if I want to do 1 YouTube share a day for each day of the week next week, then I would go to Monday and just click anywhere in here. And then I add all the platforms that I want to post to. So it would be these 6, and select the category. which is YouTube, and 1431 is fine for the time. So I say create. Actually, I'm going to make that a little bit later. Say 1631, and then I just need to do that for each day of the week. All right, there we go. Now I've got a Facebook post scheduled for each weekday of next week. And then if I go to the left menu again and I go to next posts, this will show me what's going to be published next. And so this is where you can kind of check that the post that you think is going to go out is going to go when you want it to. And so this will be the video going out on Monday. And we can see on the Tuesday, there's a blog post going out that I obviously need to update the title of. And there will also be another video going out. And so I just need to head back here to my YouTube category and update 3 more of the videos so that they'll be ready to publish. Remember to use the first link in the description to get on my email list and access my AI prompts spreadsheet. Also, if you decide to use my affiliate link to sign up for Socialbee, remember to let me know so I can send you a bonus. And if you want to do this type of thing for your business, but you feel like you don't have the time or you don't have the technical expertise to manage it yourself, also feel free to reach out to me. I do managed marketing services like social media and search engine optimization and things like that. So regardless of whether you're looking for marketing services or you want to get access to this software, or you just want to get my AI prompts, I recommend signing up for my email list and reply to any of my emails and to let me know how I can help. And I'll be looking forward to getting back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.